National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Lawrence County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Sharp County in north-central Arkansas. Until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dalton, or 14 miles northwest of Pocahontas, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pocahontas, Black Rock, Lake Charles State Park, Imboden, Ravenden Springs, Honeyville, Dalton, Attica, Powhatan, Armstrong, Ingram, Cheyenne, Birdle, 11 Point, Eaton, Hamel, Stokes, Angular, Shrum. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Randolph County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Lawrence County in eastern Arkansas, east central Sharp County in north-central Arkansas, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ravenden, or 14 miles east of Cherokee Village, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Black Rock, Imboden, Ravenden, Orcia, Ravenden Springs, Honeyville, Smithville, Williford, Powhatan, 11 Point, Ozark Acres, Davidsonville Historic State, Pennsylvania, Powhatan Historic State Park, Lake Charles State Park. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has extended the flash flood warning for northwestern Randolph County in eastern Arkansas until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dalton and Elm Store. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In heavy rain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until midnight Central Daylight Time Friday for the following county: Randolph, Arkansas,